Hello and welcome to our channel. If you're struggling with medical debt, you're not alone. Medical debt is one of the leading causes of financial stress for many Americans. In this video, we'll be sharing 5 proven strategies to help you deal with medical debt. If you're interested in information and tips for managing your financial life, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. This helps YouTube understand that this subject is relevant to you and suggests more videos from us and other channels that talk about this topic. Strategy 1. Review your medical bills. The first step in dealing with medical debt is to review your medical bills carefully. Look for any mistakes or errors, such as duplicate charges or charges for services you didn't receive. If you find any errors, contact the billing department of the healthcare provider and ask for them to correct the mistakes. Strategy 2. Negotiate with your healthcare provider. If you can't afford to pay your medical bills, don't be afraid to negotiate with your healthcare provider. Many healthcare providers are willing to work out a payment plan or reduce your bill if you explain your financial situation. Be honest about your financial situation and make sure to communicate clearly and respectfully. Strategy 3. Consider a medical credit card. If you have a lot of medical debt, consider applying for a medical credit card. These credit cards are designed specifically for medical expenses and often offer low interest rates and flexible payment plans. However, be sure to read the terms and conditions carefully before applying and make sure you can afford the payments. Strategy 4. Use a health savings account. If you have a high deductible health plan, you may be eligible for a health savings account, SSA. And SSA allows you to set aside pre-tax dollars to pay for qualified medical expenses, including deductibles and co-payments. This can help you save money on your medical bills and reduce your tax liability. Strategy 5. Seek professional help. If you're struggling with medical debt and don't know where to turn, consider seeking professional help. Nonprofit credit counseling agencies and financial advisors can help you create a budget, negotiate with your healthcare providers, and explore your options for managing your debt. Dealing with medical debt can be overwhelming, but there are strategies you can use to help manage your bills and reduce your stress. Remember to review your medical bills carefully, negotiate with your healthcare provider, consider a medical credit card, use a health savings account, and seek professional help if needed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful content.